Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So from today we will see the PHP variable, its naming rules and scope of the variable. First of all, we have seen PHP variable. In PHP, variable are represented by $sign and followed by the variable name. So we always start variable with $sign. Here is the example $A. A is variable name and it always start with $sign. Next, variable is case sensitive. It simple means small a and capital A both are different variable. Next, we have seen the PHP variable naming rules. First rule indicate that we always start variable with $sign and follow by the name of the variable. Here, variables start with $sign and follow by variable name. So, ABC is your variable name. Next rule indicate that variable always start with letter or underscore. Here is the example. First variable is start with letter and next example see that variable start with underscore. So both are valid. Next rule indicate that we cannot start variable with number because here is the rule that indicate that variable always start with letter or underscore. So this is the invalid variable because it is start with the number. Next rule, variable are combination of alphabet, numeric and underscore. Here is the example. Variable is combination of alphabet, it means XYZ, numeric means 9 and underscore. Next rule, variable is case sensitive. It means small h and capital H both are different variable. So next we will see the PHP variable scope. So what is PHP variable scope? It is known as its boundary within which it can be visible or accessible from a code. Depending on the scope, PHP has three types of variable. First is local, global and static. Let us see a local variable. What is local variable? Local variable is a one type of variable that it declare inside the function and it access inside the function. Here is the example. Function demo has one variable $C. So $C is a local variable that only used within the function. If we use $C outside the function, then it give a error because local variable has it used only within the function. So next is the global variable. Global variable is variable that is declared outside the function and it used anywhere from the program except within function. So if we use global variable inside the function, then we just use global keyword. Here is the example that show a global variable. Here A and B is global variable that declare outside the function. Now one function is sum that sum two value A and B. A and B are global variables. So we just use keyword global because global variable are declared outside the function and we use global variable inside the function. Then we just use global keyword. Now we have just add A and B and store addition into the B. After sum is call, we have just print B value. So it print 2 plus 1. So output is 3. Next is static variable. Normally when function terminate, all variable lose its value. But sometimes we want to hold this value for a further use. Then this situation we use static variable. Static variable is hold this value after function is terminate. Here is the example. Suppose one function is test and test have one variable A but its type is static. So this A is hold value after this function is terminate. Suppose first time test is called and it value A is 0. Now print value of a, so print 0. Next a plus plus, so now a's value is 1. Now second time we have called test, so here after first time a value is 1, so next time a is not initialized to 0 because it is static variable, so now a's value is 1. Now we have just print a value, so it print value 1. Next we have increment value of a plus plus. Now third time when we call test, a's value is 2. So after printing a, it print 2. Next incrementing variable a plus plus, so now a value is 3. I hope you have better understand static variable. Static variable is variable that hold the value after the function is execute. So after first time test is execute, a's value is 1. So next time when test is execute, it not initialize to 0 because it is declared as a static. Thank you everyone for listening and see my session. Like my session, share my session with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.